humming on the old railway line. Evening sun sinking behind the harbor side. Vendors calling out their final sales. Salt breeze drifting through the station air. Some hearts heading toward tomorrow, others holding tight to yesterday. Before the last train leaves Montego Bay, tell the ones you love to stay. Life moves fast, like evening rain. Moments never come again. Hear the whistle through the night. Hold your loved ones extra tight. Every journey, every pain, leave memories we can't reclaim. Station crowded near sunset glow. Old memories moving slow. Some leaving for distant lands. Suitcases in trembling hands. Mother waving through the steam, holding tight to every dream. Though tomorrow feel unknown, no soul truly walk alone. Little children running near, trying hard not show them fear. Grandfather beside the gate, quietly speaking words of faith. He quotes scripture soft and low, reaping joy what tears once sowed.